Hey there, gadget lovers! Ever thought about how to upgrade your gadget arsenal? Well, get ready for something special, because today we're exploring the most awesome gadgets for men that are totally worth snagging. Wondering what the next breakthrough is, or which tech will leave you amazed? Stay tuned, because this is something you'll definitely want to see.
Experience the perfect blend of satisfaction and functionality with the METMO grip. This fidget toy and practical tool pay homage to early 20th century wrench wars, combining modern materials for precision and durability. Machined from solid stainless steel and anodized aluminum, the METMO grip features sliding jaws for immense satisfaction and a quick, secure locking mechanism. Whether you seek a satisfying desk toy or a reliable tool, the METMO grip is ready to tackle daily tasks with ease, making it an exceptional addition to your toolkit or a source of relaxation on your desk. Revolutionize your measurements with the ACEGMET digital laser tape measure. Combining a 16-foot traditional tape measure with a real-time digital display and a high-precision 131-foot laser measure, it guarantees unparalleled accuracy. Adaptive auto-calibration corrects minor inaccuracies for seamless precision. Durable with a rust-resistant nylon-coated blade and true zero-end hook, it offers multiple modes for distance, area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations. This electric tape measure simplifies projects, stores up to 30 measurements, and comes with an 18-month worry-free warranty plus lifetime technical support. The OUKITEL WP5 rugged cell phone is an adventurer's powerhouse. Boasting an 8,000 mAh battery, it offers 615 hours standby, 43 hours of audio playback, and functions as a power bank. Running on Android 10 with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, it ensures smooth performance and ample storage. The 5.5 inches HD Plus Corning Gorilla Glass screen adds durability, while its IP68 waterproof, drop-proof, and dust-proof features make it ideal for global travel. Supporting dual cards and major GSM carriers, this phone perfectly blends durability, performance, and versatility. Explore the depths with the chasing DORY underwater drone. Compact and portable, this drone features a 1080p Full HD camera for real-time viewing. Dive up to 49 feet with dual 250 lumen headlights, capturing stunning underwater visuals. Easy control via the Chasing Geo 2 app allows for diving, movement, and depth locking. Share adventures seamlessly with dual play mode and live streaming. The 4,800 mAh battery offers up to 1 hour of exploration time, making it an ideal companion for underwater enthusiasts and travelers. Upgrade your key-carrying experience with the Clip Smart Compact Key Organizer keychain. Crafted from carbon fiber and stainless steel, it's durable and lightweight, featuring an anti-loosening mechanism. This organizer holds up to 18 keys or accessories, eliminating pocket bulges. Easily assemble with a coin and enjoy additional perks like a bottle opener and carabiner. Backed by a lifetime warranty, Clips guarantees your satisfaction or a full refund. Carry your keys in style with this sleek and functional key holder. The Smith & Wesson Tactical Folding Knife is an ideal everyday carry choice. Featuring a 3.1-inch 7cr17 move black oxide stainless steel blade and a lightweight aluminum handle, it provides swift access with a pocket clip, finger flipper, and ambidextrous thumb knobs. The liner lock guarantees secure usage, and its jimping and serrations enhance its versatility. With a comfortable grip and effortless opening, this knife, backed by a limited lifetime assurance, is a trustworthy companion for various situations. Elevate your everyday carry with the LeverGear TOOLCARD Pro, a compact multi-tool packed with 40 functions. Crafted from stainless steel, this credit card-sized marvel integrates pro-style bottle openers, screwdrivers, and wrenches with precision and durability. The smart layout ensures easy grip and usability, making it your go-to-fix-it companion on the go. The sleek design, chamfered edges, satin silver finish, and laser-etched marks add a touch of style to its functionality. Made in the USAE, the TOOLCARD Pro is a timeless and reliable multi-tool for a lifetime of tasks and adventures. Discover cutting-edge performance with the ABEDEN cordless reciprocating saw kit. Driven by a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers a 1-inch stroke length and up to 3,200 strokes per minute for efficient cutting across various materials. Weighing just 3.5 pounds, it's lightweight and equipped with a safety lock switch. Tool-free blade changes and a rotatable body enhance convenience and precision. The kit includes wood and metal blades, a 2.0 ampere-hours lithium-ion battery, charger, and a carrying bag. ABEDEN ensures a powerful, safe, and reliable cutting experience with a 1-year warranty. Brighten your adventures with the OLIGHT Warrior Nano Tactical Flashlight, boasting 1,200 lumens and a 135-meter throw. Its dual switches offer versatile functionality with 6 modes via the side switch and instant high output from the dual tail switch for tactical needs. The rechargeable battery grants a remarkable 40-day runtime in moonlight mode. Featuring 6 brightness levels, including turbo and moonlight, this EDC flashlight adapts to diverse scenarios. Its pocket-friendly design, complemented by a 2-way stainless steel pocket clip, ensures comfortable and convenient carry options for power outages, hiking, home security, or outdoor activities. Experience the might of the PEEKTOok Mini Electric Cordless Chainsaw, a compact 6-inch powerhouse boasting a 600 watts high-power pure copper motor. Swiftly cutting at 34.5 feet per second, it effortlessly handles branches and logs, saving you time and effort. Weighing only 2.2 pounds, it's ergonomic for one-handed use. Safety is paramount with a 3-fold safety system, including a security lock, blade guard, and handle guard. With extended battery life 30-45 minutes, it comes fully assembled, complete with safety goggles and gloves for a seamless cutting experience. The Atomic Bear Tactical Pen is more than just a writing instrument. It's a versatile tool combining tactical functionality, a powerful flashlight, and multi-tool capabilities. Crafted for durability, the tungsten carbide breaker ensures emergency readiness, capable of breaking car windows. With an impressive 1200 lumens output, the LED flashlight offers 2 modes for various scenarios. Enhance your everyday essentials with the added benefits of self-defense and practicality, including complimentary ink cartridges, batteries, and personalized self-defense training. The perfect gift for those who value both form and function. Transform your DIY experience with the WOWSTICK Mini Pen Drill. This innovative cordless drill boasts a sleek pen cap design for safety and comfort, eliminating exposed cutter heads. With a screw-free construction and all-metal gearbox, it offers effortless one-touch control and efficient micro-drilling capabilities at 420 revolutions per minute, plus or minus 10%. The rechargeable lithium battery and convenient Type-C charging port make it perfect for woodworking, jewelry making, and more. The kit includes 8 hardened steel drill bits, making it a must-have addition to your toolkit for versatile and precise drilling tasks. Capture every detail with the YESCOOL, a professional digital voice recorder. Offering 1,536 kilobits per second HD quality and 30 hours of continuous working time, it ensures precision and reliability. The 5D omnidirectional noise reduction delivers professional-grade recordings, while features like timed recording, variable speed play, and a B-repeat enhance versatility. With a 60 meters voice capture range, password protection, and smart design from the same factory as Hyundai voice recorder, it is your trustworthy companion for preserving audio memories in business meetings and learning sessions. Thanks for joining us on this gadget-packed adventure. Which of these mind-blowing gadgets are you adding to your wish list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech treasures.